Hello, everyone. So this is going to be a different series about occult books and occult book reviews. And I wanted to start off with one that I'm currently reading. I'm currently reading a few others as well. I'm in the middle of a few other books. I kind of jump around like that. And this one, I wanted to do a book review about The Black Arts by Richard Cavendish. This book I'm in the middle of right now, and I'm currently reading about alchemy. So this book has a bunch of different things within the occult. It has some witchcraft, some chapters, a chapter about witchcraft, about demonology, about astrology, just about different mystical practices. For example, I'll read some that are off the back of this book. I'll read this first paragraph to you guys because it explains what the book is basically about. So, The Black Arts is a fascinating and wonderfully readable exploration of the practice, theory, and underlying rationale of magic and occultism in all its branches. It has many branches, which is awesome, including witchcraft, spells, numerology, astrology, alchemy, Kabbalah, tarot, charms, and summoning and controlling of spirits. So, also this edition features a 50th anniversary introduction by historian and alternative spiritual Mitch Horowitz, who frames the book for a new generation of readers. So all that is in this book, and it's a pretty thick book. So there's different chapters within this book that explains all of this stuff. And like I said, I'll show you where I'm at right now. Currently, I'm in chapter 4, which is the about alchemy, and it talks about the stone and the elixir. And like within chapter 4, stone and the elixir. So within each chapter, there are different sections within each. Like this is section 1, the foundation of alchemy. So I'm currently reading about the foundations of alchemy, and it's definitely very interesting. I don't know much about alchemy, so with this book I'm learning a little bit about it. I haven't really dove into that section within the occult, because I'm currently interested in learning about other sections, other branches. So, for instance, like section 2 of the alchemy chapter is called "Making the Stone." Sorry about the glare. And then after that, it's a kind of big section. After that, it talks about the third section, which is the elixir of life. And then that's the full. So there's only a few sections within each. After that is astrology. And when I I've read so far in this book is chapter 1, The World of the Black Magician, and the section, the Magician's Universe, section 2, Imitative Magic and Magical Links. So I've read about the world of the Black Magician. I've read Names and Numbers. I have read Kabbalah and the Names of Power. So I'll just kind of go through the contents a little bit with the sections that I have read, because I'm not done with this book yet. I'm about like halfway through it. So the world of the Black Magician, there's 4 sections: the Magician's Universe, Imitative Magic and Magical Link, and the modern magicians and analogies and correspondences. Chapter 2, Names and Numbers, has fortunes by numbers. It has the roots of numerology and the numbers revealed. So different chapters have a amount of different sections. The Kabbalah and the Names of Power, chapter 3, has 4 sections. Has Splendid Lights, the Path, and the Tarot. Gematria, and the Names of Power. So I have read 3 chapters so far. Like I said, I'm currently in chapter 4, which talks about alchemy. I'm looking forward to reading the rest of this book because it is very knowledgeable, even though they're kind of short chapters or short sections. It's still like pretty knowledgeable information. Astrology, chapter 5, talks about natal astrology, mundane astrology, astrology in daily life, astrology and magic. Has 4 sections, so that's going to be interesting. Chapter 6, Ritual Magic, Preparations on the Magic Circle, the Sacrifice and the Summoning, the Lords of Darkness, Necromancy and Psychic Attack, and Low Magic. So that one has a little bit more, has 5 sections, and it just happens to be the chapter with the most sections. And then chapter 7, The Worship of the Devil. And then there's 3 sections in that one: The Origins of Satan, Witchcraft, and the Black Mass. So that's, and of course they have the Appendix 1, which is the Grimoires. Appendix 2, the Hebrew system in numerology. And of course there are diagrams for each section. So I had bought this book off of Amazon a few years ago because it resonated with me. I felt that I should get this book. I felt like I should, read it, go through it. So that's why I bought it, because I felt like that I had resonated with it. So for other occultists out there, I do recommend picking this book up if you're interested in learning more about the different branches within the occult, because this is one of those books that will help you find like your path within the occult, whatever you feel like you're more drawn to or you're more interested in. This book can break that down for you. Like if you're more into astrology, then you'll probably read about the astrology in this book, or maybe you're into other different parts of of the occult, maybe you find yourself more like on the eclectic side and wondering more about what other branches there are. So I do, like I said, I do recommend this book for the occult readers out there to learn about the different branches. So this happens to be the 50th anniversary edition, and so yeah, this is another good read, and so yeah, just go out if you're interested. Go out and buy this book. Get yourself a copy, and when you do, or if you do, let me know what you think about it. Let me know what your opinions are. If you like the book, if you don't like the book, if you find out reading the whole thing, then let me know. Drop some comments. I'd like to hear from you guys. So yeah, just another good read. So this is the first video of my occult book reviews. So I have a few more that I'll be doing. I have quite a few more books in my little occult library I have. So yeah, just let me know, and thanks for watching. And I hope that this information, that this book has helped you guys out. I hope that this book helps to find you guys if you're interested. So yeah, let me know, and thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next video.